So Tara, I've known you for like a long time now, and I know some of your story, but I feel like a lot of people don't really know the whole story of how you came to know Jesus. You want to share?
Yeah. So I had opened the coffee shop in 2009, and
That's Leilani's Lattes.
Yes.
Free commercial.
yes, free commercial.
Yeah.
And I was introduced to David Deal from a friend of mine, Noah.
Okay.
And first thing David asks me is, "Do you have a friendship with Jesus?" I was like, "What?" David rides a bike because he's paralyzed from the waist down. And so he's on his hand bike, and he comes by the next day, and he buys a hot chocolate, and he says, "So, is Jesus your friend yet?" I'm like, "No, go away." And I just kept thinking, this guy is really happy for being in a wheelchair,
Oh, yeah.
and being on this hand bike, and he comes by every day, and he asks me about Jesus. And I had lost my mom a couple of years before that. So he started asking me to go to Alpha, and I also had another lady stopping by and asking if I had a relationship with Jesus. And
Really?
in my scientific mind, I'm like, I'm gonna prove them wrong. I started going to Alpha on
Okay.
top of it.
Tell us about Alpha.
So Alpha is a course, I call it Christianity 101 because
Okay.
to me it's like the basics. And you take the course and you learn about who Jesus is.
Okay.
You learn about the historical proof of who he is, and you learn about what he's done for you and why he's done it. And it's love. Like, it's love. He loved us so much. God did, that he sacrificed his son. And I remember Pastor Jeff doing a teaching about we have all this sin, and it just sits on us. And when Jesus died on the cross, and he took a white towel and he covered that sin. And I think it was like the second or third lesson. And God only sees that white cloth. He sees the righteousness of Jesus. And at that moment, I was hooked. And so I am sucking all this information in, and I'm like, wow, there's something to this.
Wow.
And so I ended up making 8 bazillion excuses on why I couldn't go to the Alpha retreat,
Oh, okay.
because there is a retreat, and every excuse I had failed miserably. And I showed up at Alpha, and it was a Friday night, a Saturday night, and a Sunday night. And Saturday night, I gave my life to Jesus.
Wow.
I saw some of the most amazing things that weekend, and I felt some of the most amazing things. Like, I felt the presence of God where we were. Like, and I felt his embrace, and I felt the love that he has for me, and I just broke. Like, oh, I guess I can't prove this wrong. So I received Jesus on Saturday. It was February 20th. And on the 21st, I was Holy Spirit baptized and received my prayer language. And then when David would come by and ask if I had a relationship with Jesus, I could say, I do.
Oh, it's
Thank
beautiful.
you, brother. Thank you.
Wow.